Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn EVS subject. Here lesson number 13, hot, wet and cold. So we will see what is hot, wet and cold. Look here. It's lesson number 13, hot, wet and cold. So in this lesson we will learn about weather, climate and seasons. Then types of seasons, then taking care in different seasons, then my favorite seasons. Okay, so this lesson all over about seasons. Which seasons? Summer, winter and monsoon. So these three seasons are main seasons. Okay, so we will see what is seasons. Now look here. Here is a cactus tree and then sun. We can see that there is sun. Okay, so what is here? Here is a hot climate. Okay, and now look here, this picture. There is one house and we can see the snow around this house all over. Okay, so what is here? It's a cold climate. So we will see that what is weather, then climate and season. Okay, so students, on some days you feel cold and some days you feel hot. And why do you feel hot or cold at different times of the day and year? Can you tell me? It's because of season. Okay, so we will see that what is weather or weather. Now here weather means changes within a few hours. Weather changes within a few hours. It can be sunny in the morning, hot in the afternoon and cold at night. This is weather. We may see different types of weather on the same day. Okay, एक ही दिन में हम अलग अलग महसूस करते हैं. मतलब कभी कोल्ड महसूस करते हैं, कभी हॉट मतलब गर्मी महसूस करते हैं, या कभी सनी इन द मॉर्निंग. सनी मीन्स बहुत लाइट वाली मॉर्निंग हम महसूस करते हैं. सो दिस इज चेंजेस इन अ फ्यू हावर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज वेदर. एक ही दिन में ये सब चेंज हो सकता है. दिस इज वेदर. इट कैन बी क्लाउडी, हॉट, ड्राई और सनी, windy, rainy and so on. So that is weather. Okay, and now what is climate? Climate is the weather of a place for a long time. This is climate. Okay, and now what is season? Season are different parts of the year with a special climate. Okay, we all know that there are three seasons. Three seasons are main seasons, which summer, monsoon and winter. And we will see the 5 seasons. There are 2 minor seasons, autumn and spring. Okay, so look this picture. What is here? We can see some pictures. So we will see that here summer season, then rainy season. Here is autumn, then winter, and we can see here spring. Okay, so summer, winter, rainy are the main seasons, but autumn and spring are the short seasons. Autumn and springs are short seasons. Look here, it's the autumn. This is spring. These are short seasons. And which are the main seasons? Summer, rainy and winter. These three are main seasons. Okay, so here look next picture. We can see here 2 pictures. What is here? Girls and boy one girl and one boy play on the ground in the garden. Okay, and one man drinking a water. Okay, so can you think that which season is this? This is summer. What is this? Summer. In the first picture we can see that here is a bright sun. Okay, so it's a summer season. This weather is hot. Summer season has a hot weather, and this summer season is start from April to June. It start from April and end with June. Okay, now look at here. Here are also two pictures. So what is this? Look here. We can see here some umbrellas. This is umbrellas, and rain is here. Two boys are here which are playing in a rainy season. Okay, so this is rainy season, and here we can see that old leaves turn yellow and fall down. Look here. Here are old leaves which are yellow. They fall down. It fall down. Okay, so this is autumn season. In this autumn season, the leaves of the tree turn yellow. These are old leaves which turn yellow and then fall down. This is autumn season, and this autumn season it start from October to November. Okay, autumn season starts from October to November. Look here. What is here? You can see here snow. Look here. It's a snow. So what is this? This is winter season. Here also winter season. Okay, so it is cold. It is cold. This season known for cold. At some places there is a snowfall, and then it is start from December to March. Okay, so winter season starts from December to March. Okay, now look these pictures. What is here? You can see here many flowers. Look here. Here are also many flowers. Here are also many flowers. So which season is this? This is spring. Some places also have a season called spring season. Okay, in this season we see new leaves and new flowers on the trees, and then it start from February to March. It is not hot and not too cold. मीन्स ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं रहता है और ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं रहता है. ऐसे ये स्प्रिंग सीजन. इन दिस seasons called spring season. Okay, so here we can see here more flowers. So it's coming spring season. Now look at this picture. What is here? You can see that sweating during the summer. One boy is here, and you can see that it's sweating. Okay, our body needs special care in season. So in summer the weather is hot and dry, so we sweat a lot. Look here in this picture. In the hot season we sweat a lot. Look here. Here are also bright sun, means this is a summer season. In this season we sweat a lot. आपको गर्मी होती है कि नहीं है ना? तो ये गर्मी यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई गई है. Then we wear cotton clothes. We should drink a lot of water. Yes or not? In the summer season we should wear cotton clothes, which is very comfortable in that season, and we should drink a lot of water. Then look here, we can see the clothes. Okay, so here we can see that we use in summer. There are some cotton clothes and one cap which we should use in summer. Okay, and then in winter the weather is cold, so we wear warm clothes. Look here, in the winter we should wear warm clothes to take our body warm. ओके, हमारी बॉडी गर्म रखने के लिए हमें गर्म कपड़े पहनने होंगे इन द विंटर सीजन. एंड वी कैन सी हियर raincoat and umbrella. So we use this in a rainy season. Yes or not? We use raincoats and umbrellas in rainy season. We can also call it monsoon season. Okay. Now look here. What is here? Here is a day and night. You can see here bright sun and here is a moon. Okay, so in winter the days are short and nights are long. In the winter season the days are short and the nights are long. मतलब जब भी ठंडी के दिन होते हैं तब डेज कैसे होते हैं, छोटे होते हैं, और नाइट्स आर लॉन्ग मीन्स जो रात है वो बड़ी होती है, मतलब अंधेरा ज़्यादा टाइम रहता है. बट इन समर सीजन द डेज आर लॉन्ग. जब समर सीजन चलता है तो डेज आर लॉन्ग मीन्स हम सूरज को ज़्यादा देर तक देख सकते हैं, जो दिन होता है वो बड़ा होता है. एंड नाइट्स आर शॉर्ट, और जो रात होती है वो छोटी होती है. ओके, so this is day and night. Okay, now can you tell me that in summer season what do you like to eat? Yes, in summer season we like to eat mangoes, then ice creams, then lemon juice. Yes or not? These are your favorite things which we eat in summer season. Okay, now again tell me, can you play outside in the rainy season? No, we can't play in rainy season out of the house. Okay, now what happens to leaves and flowers in autumn? These are some questions. What happens to leaves and flowers in autumn? In autumn, old leaves turn yellow and fall down. Okay, so in autumn season, the old leaves turn yellow and fall down. Yes or not? So here are we learn about some seasons, 3 main seasons and 2 short seasons. 3 main seasons are summer, monsoon and winter, and the short seasons are autumn and spring. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson. So today we have learnt about the weather, climate and seasons, and also learn about types of seasons and how to take care in that seasons. Okay, now your homework is here. Fill question answers in IMAX, look and learn workbook part 2, and then draw picture of mango or ice cream and umbrella and woolen cap. Means it's also season wise. In summer season we should eat mango or ice cream, and then in rainy season we should use umbrella, so draw umbrella, and in winter season we should use woolen cap, so draw woolen cap. or you can also draw sweater, but cap is easy, so I told you to draw a cap. Okay, I hope you do this homework. So thank you. Bye. Take care.